On July 8th, 2024, a police officer in Menominee, Wisconsin saw two cars racing in a 35-mile-per-hour zone. Here's what happened next, straight from the officer's body camera.
Into a light pole.
Headquarters, serve me a traffic stop, Santa Park. I'm in a yellow sedan, black SUV, neither stopping. Going about 90. Just getting to Wolski Bay.
The police spot two cars going way too fast. When the officer tries to stop them, the cars go even faster. One crashes into a pole and big rock. Things get scary fast.
Stop digging in the car. Oh.
It's not me. I wasn't driving. I swear to God.
She driving?
No, she wasn't.
Who was driving?
I don't know.
Who was in the car?
Bro, I just want to grab my stuff. That's it.
No.
I need a
fucking Relax.
Grandma, bro. We're in Menominee, bro.
27 headquarters, I'll need an ambulance. 33 2nd Street West, 1st Ave. Female, unknown injuries. Come with me.
I'm calling my grandma.
Not an option.
Grandma, come. I didn't drive. I wasn't driving.
Not an option. You're being detained right now.
I wasn't, okay, but I wasn't driving, though. Sir, I was not driving. You can talk to my grandma.
You're
She's my
detained.
guardian. I'm a minor.
Sit in the car.
I'm a minor.
Get in the car.
I am literally a minor.
Interview with your friend. Get in the car.
Can I please get my phone?
Sit down. Sit down.
Wait, sorry, I'm not trying to...
I understand.
Mom, my f***ing
Sit
foot,
down.
bro.
I have an ambulance coming. Who is driving?
My mom.
Who is driving?
Bro, I don't know, bro. I got a f***ing Uber, and I don't know. I need my mom.
Okay, sit down. Just sit down on the curb.
Crash into a f***ing, like, how the f*** you crash?
Sit down on the curb.
I need my mom.
I get it. Sit down.
When police get to the crash, they find two girls, Maya and her friend. Both say they don't know who was driving. Everyone is upset. And one girl says her foot hurts. It's confusing for the officers.
Who was driving?
This mixed girl, I don't know her. I was riding with her. She was taking me home. That's it. I don't know her.
Was it her that was walking away?
No. I swear to God, it wasn't her, no.
So who was all in the car?
It was somebody else. I don't know her. She was picking me up from my grandma's house to bring my stuff that's in the back of it. That's it.
What did she look like?
She has brown hair. She has brown eyes. Like, it's like curly brown.
Okay.
And I don't even know her for real. She said that she was gonna give me a ride and pick me up. That's it.
Do you have her contact information?
No, I don't know her like that. No.
Okay. How'd you get a hold of her to come pick you up?
No, my friend did.
She did on the corner?
No.
Who is that on the corner over there?
That's my cousin.
Okay.
Yes.
So she wasn't driving?
No.
Where were you sitting in the car?
I was in the passenger seat.
The front passenger
Yes.
seat? Where was she sitting in the car?
In the back.
Okay. So then the other lady was driving.
Yes.
So there was, how many of you total in the car?
Oh, just us.
So
Just us three. Yes.
You three?
Yes.
Okay, whose car is it, do you know?
No, I have no clue. I don't even know this girl.
Okay. Why don't you step out and talk to this fire department gentleman? Yep, that's what he's doing right here. The guy right there. Can you come talk to her?
Whoa.
Who were you guys racing down the street?
I wasn't racing anything.
Well, I know. Who was in the other car?
Them.
Okay.
I don't know them. I guess they were just trying to have fun. I have no clue.
Okay. All right. I'm going to close the door. I'll keep an eye on you, though, okay?
Thank you.
I'm having trouble figuring out who the driver was.
Oh, my...
Because nobody knows who it was. You okay?
No. Bro, like, it's like you're trying to make it seem like I'm a liar, bro. Like, I got out that f***ing car. Clearly, I'm right here. Like,
There's only two people here.
No, there was three.
Okay, well, they're not here, and
there was three of us.
And neither of you know who was driving the car.
No, there was three of us.
Okay, where did they pick you up?
From Eau Claire. I told him the exact address.
You're gonna have to repeat it to me because he's busy. So, where in Eau Claire did they pick you up?
I had them pick me up from Festival.
Okay.
And I was coming to a friend's. Her name is Aaliyah. She lives down the block.
Okay.
And next thing you know, like, I think another car came by us. It was a white car. I don't know what kind of car. I'm not good with my cars.
Okay.
It was another car. And they were I think they were trying to race. I don't know what they were going to do.
I saw you guys. I saw them racing.
Were you the one that came behind us?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. Dude, So next thing you know, she just takes off. I'm like, oh my God, please pull the fucking car over. I need to get out. I have to get out. I cannot go. I'm literally on papers. You cannot, please.
The police keep asking who was driving, but Maya and her friend keep saying they don't know or it was a stranger. The officers don't believe the story about an Uber. No one is telling the truth.
I swabbed the car for DNA.
Yes.
Everywhere. Yours won't show up in the driver's seat. You've never driven there before?
No.
What about your cousin?
Oh, my cousin.
Her, she said you're your cousin.
I don't really think someone could fit in the back seat there. That's what I'm
You told me
I was
you
on
were
this
taking an
left side.
Uber, so.
Yeah, no one could sit back there.
Go look at the back seat.
Dude,
I'm serious.
y'all are not believing it.
Okay, so she's not even your cousin? She's not your cousin? I'm just gonna end up charging both of them out.
Where was that pink bag, that white bag right there?
She had it with her.
Okay.
Yep, and I grabbed it.
She's on her phone right now, and that was supposedly in that bag. Was the pink phone in that bag?
Hey, Max,
Yeah.
can she grab her shoes?
Our shoes in the
Her
back.
shoes are in the back.
I don't think you'll be able to open the door with it.
Look, it's opening.
So how'd you fit back here?
I was holding this.
Okay.
I took my shoes off, and I was over here. Right here. My shoes are over there.
On the back.
I was over here. If you can DNA swab it. L, I swear to God, I was not driving this car.
Okay.
I just wanted DNA swab.
Who is she to you?
That's fam.
Is she?
Fam.
Okay, so she's like cousin, but not blood cousin.
Yeah.
I get it. Okay.
Is she okay?
Yeah, her head just hurts.
Maya, you okay?
I don't understand.
The officers check the car and see the back seat is full of stuff. Doesn't look like anyone could sit there, but the girls keep insisting. The police are getting frustrated.
Hands behind your back for me.
What am I going to do for?
You're going to jail for felony fleeing and obstruction.
I stayed right next to the car.
That's after you crashed it and after you ran away from me.
I crashed it. I did not. I was not driving the car.
All right.
You can ask my grandma.
Anything
I
on you that's going to stick, stab, poke
No.
me? Okay.
But I wasn't driving the car.
All right.
Wow.
All right. Back passenger side of my car.
Wow. I was driving the car. I was not.
Can you lean back
driving.
for me?
I'm trying.
That's okay. I know it's tight. I just gotta find that.
Can y'all call my grandma, please?
Put her phone on your floor.
Okay.
I
You
was
can
driving the
you can
car.
give her a call when you get to the jail. Okay. One of you fellas be able to arrest her for me, or unless she's going to the hospital.
And she for sure doesn't want to go to the hospital.
Well, I don't know. I thought her getting out of the car was.
Last I talked to her, she wanted to go to the hospital if she got her charger and her purse. But you were on the phone.
Finally, police arrest Maya. She still says she didn't drive, but the officer says she's in trouble for lying and running away after the crash.
Okay. Who is Lana?
My girlfriend.
Your girlfriend? Where is she?
I don't know. I know she was there, but
What was she doing?
driving.
She was driving? Okay. What happened after the car crash?
I honestly blacked out. I really don't remember.
Okay. Before you guys crashed, after I turned my lights on, when I was following you, did she say anything? What happened?
No,
during
they
that
were
stretch?
they were racing. That's all I remember.
Okay, so her and your brother were racing.
Yes.
Okay. So her and your brother were racing, and then she turned off here,
Yes.
lost control of the car,
Yep.
and crashed it.
Yep.
Okay. Would you be able to call her if I gave you your phone?
I can try.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you now that if we call her and she answers, and you tell her about the investigation, that you could be charged with obstruction. Okay. Do you
But
think
what
that?
am I calling her to say though? I don't understand that.
To ask her where she is.
Okay.
Because obviously she bailed, which is, no offense, pretty shitty.
Okay.
Like bailing on your girlfriend after you crashed up the car, like
Y'all already thought it was me.
that's. So is Lana So Aslana's a girl, right? Okay. But it's pretty.
But I will not go to jail for nobody though.
I wouldn't either.
And after
I'm with you.
like this, I can't do this. My record's clean. I cannot do this.
So, are you willing to call and try to get a hold of her? Okay. Do you have her location on like Snap Maps?
No, iPhone, I just have her on everything. That's it.
All right. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have you hop out.
How am I gonna call if my phone's dead though?
Your phone's dead?
Yeah. When I try to call my grandma to come to the hospital.
I'll plug it into my charger for a minute.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Can you step out of the car for me? I appreciate your honesty.
After a while, Maya finally tells the truth. Her girlfriend, Aslana, was driving. Maya is scared, but starts to cooperate, and the officer tries to help her stay calm.
Would you like to tell me what happened the other night?
Me and my friend were racing.
Okay.
And we sped past you, and I turned and I hit a pole and a rock.
Okay. Can I ask why you ran after you crashed?
I was scared. I didn't know what to do. Like, my mind was everywhere. I blacked out. I was scared.
Okay. Can I ask why you ran from me?
I don't know. I was scared. It was literally, I was super scared.
Okay. When did you see my lights behind you?
I didn't see your lights.
Okay. Because as soon as I pull out and turn on my lights, you guys hit the brakes. Like you knew you should have stopped, and then you guys kept going. Okay. Anything else you want to tell me? Okay. So, like I explained to Maya, okay, I am going to be placing you under arrest. I appreciate you calling me and taking the easy way, because otherwise I would have had to put out a warrant and do all that. It just took way more time. And yeah, no, I appreciate that. So can you just stand up for me and then turn around?
Can I give her a hug real quick?
That's fine. I'm going to need your mom's information because due to the traffic citations and stuff that you'll be getting, I have to send a parent notification letter.
I'll text her.
So if I could, yeah, that would work fine. I'll have you just stand there. I'll write down her information quick. Alright, Maya, here's the other thing. I'm going to actually be placing you under arrest as well for obstruction from the other night, okay? You found your red vape?
Yes.
Okay, good deal.
I got it from my car. Shit. Locked up together. What does obstruction mean?
Well, due to the investigation, when you were telling me that you didn't know who was driving the car, and said it was some friend of a friend, and then later on you told me so. Those aren't too tight?
No,
okay.
This one is, but this one isn't.
The left one's too tight?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll loosen it for you.
You want me to? Huh? Like grandma? Yeah. Ooh, call that one girl that posted you last time. Eliza. My phone's in the house. You know my password.
Alright. He's going to be taking you to his car, and I'll take you as long, okay?
You don't have any pockets or anything on you, do you?
No.
Do you have anything on you? I am going to search you regardless, but just wallet?
And then on this side, I got a piece of paper with everybody's phone number.
Okay.
We love you too. Bae, I'll see you in there.
1095 with Aslana and Maya from this case. Well, it was right in the front here. Alright, nothing on you other than your wallet and that piece of paper? Okay. Alright, we can go on the passenger side here. I'll just stand right behind that door there. Thank you.
You're not to stay here. Yeah.
Excuse me, I'm gonna reach over here and buckle you up.
The next day, Aslana comes to talk to police. Both girls are arrested. The officer explains what will happen, and everyone seems a little calmer now. The police did their job, and the girls know the truth matters.